Welcome and welcome back to another video with your girl Nat. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this delicious peach cobbler cheesecake cups. They were so good and very easy to make. So if you're new here, please consider liking, commenting, and also subscribing for more content. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So these are all the ingredients I'm going to be using, and I will have everything listed down below. But you see I have my cream cheese here, my cinnamon, my brown sugar, canned peaches. I also have some vanilla extract back there. And then I also have some graham cracker crumbs, which you could get from the store or you could ground up yourself. So I want to start by making my peaches, which I'm using 3 cans of peaches. Now we're going to add about a tablespoon of butter, unsalted preferably, 1 cup of popped brown sugar, and we're going to also add about 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. Now we're going to let this go ahead and warm up. I'm going to mix everything really well to make sure everything is well combined. And I'm also adding about a tablespoon of vanilla extract. So now we're going to just let this sit on the stove on medium-high heat and cook. While we let the peaches cook on the stove, we're going to go ahead and start with our cream cheese filling. And I'm going to go ahead and add about 2 sticks of 8-ounce cream cheese. So once we added our cream cheese, we're going to go ahead and give this a whisk just to get everything nice and light and airy. Now we're going to go ahead and add about a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Now we're going to start by adding 1 cup of powdered sugar, and we're going to add this gradually just to make sure we blend everything well. Putting too much powdered sugar can just make it really clumpy, so I suggest that you just add it a little bit at a time, and you're going to get that consistency nice and smooth. Now I'm going to be adding about 2 to 3 tablespoons of the peach juice that I got from my filling. And we're just going to add this, and it just gives your cream cheese that nice little peach taste. So now for our graham cracker crumble, we're going to go ahead and add the whole thing of graham cracker crust into the bowl. Now we're going to add about 1 stick of butter, unsalted. And we're going to add it a little bit at a time. And what we're looking for is for like a sand kind of texture to it. You should be able to hold it in your hand. And as you can see right here, I didn't add enough butter, so I'm going to go ahead and melt some more. So now we're going to add the remainder of our butter into our graham cracker crust. And we're going to give this a nice stir, and this should be enough right here. You just want to make sure you mix it really well, and if you have to use your hands, use your hands. It might be a little easier doing it that way. So see, when you squeeze it in your hand, it should come together like so, and that's when you know you're done. Now I'm using these cute little dessert cups to fill them up with, which I got these from the 99-cent store. Don't break your pockets making these desserts, y'all. So I'm going to just go ahead and pack some of that graham crackers to the bottom. And if you guys don't have nothing to pack it down with, use a spoon, use your hand. I'm just using what I have. Now we're going to add our peaches, which is going to be our second layer. And we want to get that juice into those graham crackers. So we're going to add about 3 of them. Next, we're going to add our cream cheese filling. Another layer of graham crackers. Now we're going to add another layer of peaches. And you guys could use whatever kind of fruit you guys like. You could use strawberries, you could use peaches, blueberries. I just really wanted to do the peaches because that's like one of my favorite fruits, and it's the perfect time of the season where the peaches are really fresh, even though I'm using canned. But here I go again with the cream cheese filling, which I'm going to go ahead and top this with. And y'all, look at my piping. I'm getting better and better. And you know me doing too much, I'm gonna go ahead and put a peach on top. And y'all, just like that, here go my peach cobbler cheesecake cups. So please hit a like if you enjoyed the video. Please leave me a comment of what you guys would like to see me bake next. Also, put your notification bells on so you don't miss out when I post. I really do appreciate you guys watching. And y'all, this was so good and really fun to make. And I would like to give a special shout out to Keeping Up with the Griffins. They did one of my very good and one of my very favorite recipes, which is the blueberry dump cake. You guys go check out their channel. They're an amazing family channel, which they do a variety of different content. So you guys go over there and let them know that Net sent you. All right, you guys, it's been real. Peace.